Hi guys, welcome back to our free tech. So in this video I am going to telling you how to create any app code and check this app code this is working or not. So this is interesting topic. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for more related and interesting videos. So let's start our topic. Open your Google Chrome. After opening your Google Chrome, you can open Play Store, and opening the Play Store you can search here Tic Tac Toe, and after searching Tic Tac Toe, so you can see there are many results of this game. They have different backgrounds and different thumbnails, but game is already same, almost same. So you can if you want to make this type of game, so open chat gtp. After opening chat gtp, scroll up. Please wait 1 second. You can scroll up and you can search in ChatGPT. You can create app code for me. So yes, of course. Open ChatGPT and you can search here. You can create app code for me. So enter your game and please create, and again request to ChatGPT. So please create a code game for Tic Tac Toe. This has HTML, JA and CSS. So you can see here this is HTML code. If you are not expert in coding, so you need not worry. ChatGPT is already making this type of coding. So this is your CSS coding and this is your JA coding. So if you see this code is running or not, so click open new tab and search here codepen codepen.io. After searching this website you can see this interface. So click on start coding. So please wait, here you can see the HTML option, CSS and JA. So we can put this coding in HTML coding in HTML part, CSS coding in CSS part and JA coding in JA part. So open ChatGPT and scroll down and copy code. After copying this code, click here and paste here. So again open ChatGPT, here CSS code, copy code and paste here. Again open ChatGPT and you can see here JA dot code. So copy and paste here. After pasting here you can see tic tac toe. Already he is given this the name of game. So you can click check this game is working or not. So XO X, so you can see this game is working because 3x are completely, because one line is made. So if you want to change this background and this type of color, so open ChatGPT and search here, and click on enter. So after clicking on enter, you can see there is new CSS code. You can click this, and clicking on this, control A, and paste here. After, you can see this is changed. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for more related and interesting videos. Thank you so much.